How to cancel or stop Opodo Prime subscription. Opodo Prime can save you money on flights, but if you don't want it anymore, here's how you can cancel it step by step. So log into opodo.com, click on your profile icon, and then once you're on your profile, go ahead and click on my Prime account and then manage subscription. Click cancel and confirm through the prompts. If you want to cancel via phone, you can go ahead and cancel it by calling the Prime support line at +44 208 611 8967 in the UK or your region support number. Always ask for written confirmation. Cancel before your renewal date to avoid another charge. Expect retention offers like discounts or vouchers and decline if you want to stop completely.